Today I'm going to show you how to create a company account on Upwork. So in order to do this, you will need a client account. This means that you can hire a freelancer, but you cannot offer your services as a freelancer. You'll need a freelancer account for that, of course. So over here, we're going to go up to the right-hand side. You will see your icon. You'll see your name. Come down to account settings. Within account settings, you're going to come to teams and members. Here you will see teams, members, invitations, and company settings. Of course, you're going to go to teams. You're going to create a team. You'll need to go and upgrade to the Business Plus to have teams. And once you've created a team, then you can go to members, and here you can add members. Okay, so you'll go ahead and you'll invite members. So if you click on invite members here, you can invite members using a comma to separate their emails. You can assign them roles. And then here you can see what permissions they have access to. And then you're going to send the invites, and you'll see all of your members list here. And you'll see all of your teams list here.